Good morning, students. I hope that you are fine in your house with your family. We have to take care, and the best place to be safe and protected is your house. So please follow all the recommendations from your parents, stay at home, and during this time, you can share the time with your family. Enjoy with your family. Okay? First of all, I have to congratulate all the students who have been sending me your activities. They complete the activities and send it me by the web, and I check it and I return to you. This is the way to work because we are not in holiday. We have to continue studying and learning our English, and this is a way to practice. The same with all the other subjects. You have to study science, math, social studies, and the others in the same way. Okay? So congrats to you because you are completing all the activities and sending them to me. I hope that this activity, most of you will complete it and send me. Okay? You have to work with calm. Read carefully each activity before you start working. Okay? If you have any doubt, any question, you can write to me by the web and I will answer you as soon as I can. Okay, we are going to start with the class for today, with activities for today. We are going to make a review of the use of the verb be. You know this, but we are going to make a review. The verb be, the form we use the verb be in the present. And I will explain you with this board, my little board. Okay, very easy just to remember. In the present tense, the verb be have these forms: am, is, and are. Look, see, here we have the subject pronouns: I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. For I, we use the form am. This is a contraction, am. For he, she, it, we use is. Is, apostrophe s, is the contraction. And for we, you, and they, we use are. Here we have the contraction, apostrophe re. And here in the negative form, you say, I'm not, she isn't, and they aren't, for example. You know, the interrogative or the questions, we say, am I a student? Is she the teacher? Are we working? For example. Okay? What are you wearing? What is she doing? What I am telling you? And examples. Remember this sentence, for example, I am happy. But when we use she, we change am for is. She is happy. And the contractions, very easy. I'm happy. I'm happy. She is happy. She is happy. Happy, I miss the Y. Okay? And that's all. I am sending you to some sheets about the use of the verb be. So you can have the explanation here in the activities I'm sending this week. And you can start completing all the activities. You won't have any problem with this because it's very simple. Just read carefully and then you start working. These are the activities. Okay, you can see in your papers I send you by the web. The first is matching. Read the sentences and you have to match the letters with the numbers. Very easy. Here we are using the vocabulary about nationalities. Remember, we are completing nationalities and now with the use of the verb be. Okay? The second activity. Okay, reading the sentences you will deduct when we use the verb be and you complete this. Please try to complete the rules. Look at this little chart. You can complete the rules over here. And then complete the form in the plural and singular. I explain you, and you have in the papers. The next work is this, to complete the sentences and use the contraction form. Okay, you can use, for example, I'm, she's, they're, and the contraction form. And here we have another task. In this case, read carefully here. You have to create your own flag. Remember, we are seeing the flags from different countries? Now, it's your time to create your own flag. Look at this consideration. Think about a color, a special color, and then think about one animal that identify you and some two activities that you like. For example, in this case, they choose singing or music and playing football, the activities that they like. The color and the animal, the panda. Okay. Then you have to draw your flag in a paper, take a picture and send it to me. But you also have this writing part. You have to describe your flag. For example, here we are using the verb be. My flag is blue. And you have to describe your own flag with complete sentences. A short description of your flag, but using complete sentences. Okay? And that will be all. And at the end, we have a other writing part. We have to complete these sentences or exercises with the contraction form. Here, for example, he is, they are, we're, and use it. And the same chart about the use of the verb be with the different pronouns, and you complete this. It's very simple. Here we have the writing part, the last part, okay? What is this about? I am sending you this infographic about the coronavirus. You know this. Last week, I sent you a video and you watch a video about the coronavirus. Here we have another information about this, okay? Picture, but we have sentences which show information. And then you have to write a mind map. You have to create your own mind map, okay? Talking with the main sentences, the main information, the things that you consider is the most important. Use your own sentences. Don't copy exactly as the sentences appear here. Remember to complete your answers in the answer sheet I am sending you. Here you have to complete with your answers, you write your answers, and that will be all for this week. Okay? Uh, Remember, it's very important to read before you start working. Read carefully each activity, and then you can start working. Okay? Remember, if you have any doubt, any question, you can write to me. I will answer you as I can. I hope that everyone will enjoy these activities. You complete it and send it me to CWeb, by CWeb. And at the end, I have to say, stay home, take care, and enjoy this time with your family. See you next week. Bye.